Breathe in for luck, breathe in so deep. This air is blessed, you share with me. This night is wild, so calm and dull. These hearts, they race from self-control. Your legs are smooth as they graze mine. We're doing nothing at all. My hopes are so high that your kiss might kill me. So won't you kill me? So I die happy. My heart is yours to feel the thirst, to break the
Well, lately I've been wondering who I am, because it's coming clear that there's a world of things that I don't quite understand. I've always tried to look straight in the eye. I try to see the man, I try to see the plan, I try to know what's on his mind. But I never thought that I'd have to stare at you. I know I never thought.
This is morning. It's when I spend the most time thinking about what I've given up. This is a warning. When you start the day, just to close the curtains, you're thinking about what I've given up. Where are you now? As I'm swimming through the stereo, I'm
one night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away, both under influence. We had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then relief. 10 days of perfect tunes, the color.
La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da. it nice and slow when the world's spinning out of control. Afraid of what they might lose, might get scraped or they might get bruised. You could beg them, what's the use? That's why it's called a moment of truth. Yeah, I'll get it if you need it. I'll search if you don't see it. You're thirsty, I'll be rain. You get hurt, I'll take your pain. I know you don't believe it, but I said it and I still mean it. When you heard what I told you, when you get worried, I'll be a soldier. Funny when times get hard, at the last moment when you're supposed to charge. Always on the longest yard. Oh, they feel their feet get cold.